Welcome back to C#.NET Tutorials. I'm Venkat. In this video, let us see what are all the different data types available in C#. So these are the integer data types available in C#. So you might get a question, why these many integer data types available in C#? Suppose let us take human age as an example. Human age could be from 0 to 150 or 200 is the maximum age. Okay, if you want to store the age of the human being, you can store 0 to 150 or 200. Okay, so if you want to store numbers from 0 to 200, here you can see if you want to take integer as a data type, it is very bigger, 4 bytes. 2 to the power of 31, that is very bigger number. Okay, we want to store only 0 to 200. You can see 1 byte size is enough. Okay, for that you can go for byte data type. If you have bigger size than this, you can go for 2 bytes, that is a short. If you have a bigger one, you can go for integer 4 bytes. If you have more bigger one, you can go for long, that is 8 bytes. Integer data types in C#. Okay, so you can see these are starting with minus. You can see here. So all these are starting with minus values. Okay, if you want only positive values, you can go for this. So U is nothing but unsigned. U is nothing but unsigned. These are the values starts with 0. Okay, you can start with 0 and you can use only positive numbers. Okay, if you want to use only positive numbers, you can use this one and the first one, byte. So these are the data types you can use only positive numbers. If you have a negative numbers also, okay, you can use these. These are the signed, and first one and last three are unsigned. Unsigned means only positive numbers. Signed means negative and positive. Okay, these are the integer data types, and here you can see you can see three different columns. First column is indicating C# data type name. After compiling C# source code, it will generate the CIL code, intermediate language code, right? That is this one, CIL code data type name. Okay, and this one is the size. As we have discussed earlier, size of the data type in C# or CIL is same. Okay, but the names are different. CIL data types will starts with system. Okay, system.byte, system.int16, system.int32, system.int64, like that. Okay, these are the integer data types. Next one is the decimal data types. If you want to store the decimal numbers, you can use this. Okay, float, double and decimal. And the middle ones are the CIL types, and this is the size. And next one is Boolean data types. If you want to store true or false values in C#, you can use this Boolean data type. And next one is character data types. If you want to store characters or collection of characters, we can use this. If you have a single character, you can use this char 2 bytes. Okay, using this you can store one particular character, one alphabet or one character. Okay, here you can see the string. If you want to store collection of characters, that means more than one character, you can use this string. Okay, this string size is unlimited. It is variable length. Okay, you can store any number of characters using this string. Next one is the base data type in C#. C# has the base data type for all these data types we have discussed just now. Base data type is nothing but it is a data type which is base parent class of all the data types in C#. Okay, so it can store any value. It can store any value like string, integer or boolean or decimal. Just now we have seen all these, right? So in this object data type, we can store any value in C#. Okay, this is the parent or base data type in C#. Okay, so there will be important interview question. So what is the base type in C#? you can say object is the base type in C#. Okay. In this C# object data type, we can store any data type values, numbers or decimals or boolean or characters or collection of characters. We can store any data inside this object. These are the primitive data types available in C#. There are user defined types in C#, class and collections. We will discuss about that later. For more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe.